Good morning, children. Good to see you all again in one more class after a long gap. So today we'll start the next session about addition of three-digit number with regrouping. On that day we have seen about without regrouping, and today we'll see with regrouping and basic on subtraction. Okay, children. Okay, so first we'll see the example. Add 556 and 194. See how they have added. See here, step-by-step process is given here. Add ones. Always we'll be starting with ones place to add the numbers. Yes or no, children? Yes. See here, 6 and 4 is given. 6 plus 4 will be 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10 ones. That is equal to 110. With regrouping, what should you write? You have to write 0 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Okay, so see 10 ones means it is 110 and 0 ones. So we have to put 0 in ones place and carry over 1 to tens place. Okay, after that while adding, so what will you add? You have along with the digits which is in tens place, along with that you have to add this 1 also. Okay, so 1 plus 5 plus 9. So 1 plus 5 will be 6. Any number added with 1 will be the next number. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 9 will be 15. Okay. So 1 plus 5 plus 9 is your second step. By adding tens, you have got 15 tens. Okay, 15 tens, how can you write? 100 and 5 tens. Okay, so 5 should be written here. Always your ones place. The number which is leaving in ones place should be written down, and the other digit should be carried over to the next place value. Okay, so we put 5 in tens place and carry over 1 to hundreds place. Okay, so then after carrying over, what will you get? 1 plus 5 plus 1. 1 plus 5 plus 1 will be 7. 7 in hundreds place. So we put 7 in hundreds place. Okay, so the sum will be 750. When you are adding 556 and 194, you are getting the sum as 750. Okay, children, shall we try this sum? Add the following numbers: 709 and 261. So before that, write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so first we'll add ones. So 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1 will be 10. Okay, so 0, 1, carry over. You have got 10. Yes or no? So ones place. Well, how many ones were there? 0 ones and 1 tens. Okay, so 1 should be carried over to tens place. So 1, 0, 6. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 1 plus 6 will be 7. Okay. Then you are not carrying over any digit here because it is a single digit. Yes or no? If it is 2 digit, you can write the number in ones place down and carry over the next digit to the next place value. Okay, so here you don't know need of carrying over because you have got only one digit. Okay, so then 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 will be 8 and 9. Okay, so 7 plus 2 will be 9. Okay, so we'll do one more sum, that is D sum. So here without arranging in vertical manner they have given. Okay, so you just can add the numbers according to the place value. Okay, so last digit, check the last digit of every number: 1, 0 and 1. Okay, so 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Where should you write that? In ones place. Because you have got 3-digit numbers. Yes or no, children? So it will have the place values ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. So first, in ones place you have added all the numbers. Then in tens place, see 6 here, 2, 2. 6 plus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will be 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Then 8 plus 2, 9, 10. So here you have got 10. Okay. So what should you do? It is a 2-digit number. If you have got 2-digit number, what should you do? Write the last digit in tens place and carry over the next digit to the next place value 1. Okay, do you have any hundreds place here? Here, no. So only hundreds place is 9. 9 will be added with 1. 1 plus 9 will be 10. Okay, so the number is, the sum you have got is 1002. Okay, it has gone to thousands place. Clear, children? So you just do B, C and E as homework. Okay, shall we see the basic of subtraction now? Okay. In subtraction, just to recall your previous year topic, they have given few sums. It is of both subtraction without regrouping and with regrouping. Okay, of 2-digit numbers. Okay, in this year we are going to see about 3-digit numbers. Just to recall, they have given 2-digit numbers. What is the first one? 45 minus 35. Okay. So if you want to write the number in vertical manner and then subtract, means you can do that also, children. But try to subtract the numbers like this itself according to the place values. Okay. So ones place, in ones place you have 5. Here in ones place you have 5. So one place and ones place you have to subtract. Yes or no? 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 will be, if both the numbers are same while subtracting, you will get the answer as 0. 5 you have, and out of that 5, you are taking away all the 5. So you will have 0. Then come to tens place, 4 minus 3. 4 you have, in that 4 you are taking away 3. What will be remaining? 1. Okay. So first, if in the first set of number, if you have the number less than the second number, you have to borrow the digits. Okay. So we'll see. I'll write in a vertical order and tell you how to subtract with regrouping. Here, children, this is your second sum. I have arranged that according to the place value in vertical manner. Okay, see here, so first number is 7. First digit is 7. Here you have 9 in ones place. Here you have 7 in ones place. So always your first digit should be greater than the second digit, or else you have to borrow the digits. Yes or no, children? Yes. So here 7 is smaller. Yes or no? So you have, by having 7, you can't cancel 9. Okay, because 7 is the smallest digit than 9. Okay, so what should you do? You have to get 110 from here. 110 you are getting. So here you will have only 7 tens. Okay, so here you are getting 110. So it will become 10 plus 7 will be 17. Okay, 17 minus 9. So keep 17 in your mind, 9 in your fingers. Before 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8. Okay, so our answer will be 8 here. Then 7 minus 6. 7 in your mind, 6 in the finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so 7 minus 6 will be 118. Okay, so now check your first digit in ones place. See here, 9 and 8. 9 is greater than 8. Yes or no? So you can subtract the digit as it is. Okay, 9 minus 8 will be 9 in your mind, 8 in the finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is your answer? Your answer is 1. Then 4 minus 3 will be 4 you have. In that you are taking away 3. Remaining will be 1. Okay children. So do the remaining sums. Okay. Thank you.